Pobl's energy efficient homes do a tremendous amount to tackle climate change, improving existing homes, making them more energy efficient, building very low carbon energy efficient new homes. We're helping to meet housing need. We're pushing forward now and building homes which have learned the lessons from this type of home. So low carbon homes are here to stay. We've had a tremendous amount of help and funding from the Welsh Government. That funding made it possible to really push the boundaries on sustainability on this project. I think collectively we could always do more to tackle climate change. We've got a community village hub where anybody can come and visit, spend time, participate in activities, and hopefully also learn something about how maybe they can use technologies in their own home.